Most Gixxer riders complain about spongy brakes on their bike, and I'm no exception to this. The lever literally pulls into the accelerator. This is how much I have to press to get maximum braking out of this. So today I'm gonna replace it with a Nissan master cylinder. I have tried bleeding the brakes and that hasn't helped. So this is what I'm gonna try to do to fix it. Nissan caliper has a big piston. Like this has almost like a stick that keeps wobbling and that gives you a very spongy feel. But the piston on the Nissan master caliper is really good. We'll start bleeding the oil. We have kept the setup ready, and this is the oil that I'm gonna use. This is the Motul.4 oil. So finally the Nissan master cylinder has been installed. I have bled the brakes. Now the initial feedback feels way much improved.